In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add breadcrumbs to your website X5 site. So breadcrumbs are usually small links displayed at the top of the page. These usually indicate if you have one or more categories or subcategories within a category. It allows users of your website to browse a certain category and then go back to the original category. So this makes life a lot more easier. So if I give you an example of what they look like, this website I've made here myself is using website X5. So if I click on computing, and then say, you can see straight away here at the bottom of computing, it says computing again, which is the breadcrumb basically. If I click on Windows 10, you can now see it expands, so I'm on Windows 10, computing Windows 10. Again, if I got more subcategories within that category, if I click again, so it's now displaying more categories, so I can basically just go click on computing and go back to the original source. So this makes life a little bit easier when people are surfing your website. So to enable this feature within website X5, it's not actually called breadcrumbs, it's called breadcrumbs on virtually every other software program. But on website X5 it's called page path, so you have to enable page path. So what you want to do is to open up website X5. Now I'm using version 16. If perhaps you're using a slightly older version, then the feature may not be available, but you know, it might be, so just double check. So from the main page you want to click on template, which is number 2, then go down to text field and button style, and then from this little box right at the top here, click on the arrow and then select page path, and you can see here it says visible or invisible. So if you want it visible, put a tick in the box. You can then also give the page path a certain font type. You can choose the size, you can choose whether to have it displayed on the left, the center, or the right, and so on. You can see here. You can also give it a border color if you want to, and you can also change the margin. So just give it the options you want to. So for example, to make sure that the page path is displayed, I'll just give you a demonstration of my map. So basically, for the page path to be displayed, you have to create a new level. So you can see this option here is create a new level. You can see it here. Obviously this is a level here I built here myself, so say computing. If I expand that and then have a page, then I have more categories or subcategories. So basically you add a new level, and that new level will be the page path or the breadcrumbs. So basically you can see here, this is the new level, so and then all the pages are then within that level. So basically that's how you create a breadcrumb or a page path within website X5. Thanks for watching.